If you get stuck trying to motivate yourself, getting out into the fells, or even whilst you're out in the fells, my solution to that was to get myself a walking buddy. In my case, it was my son, fortunately. We both motivate each other to get out of the house, to start our fell walking. Today, up in the Peak District, just having been up Lost Lad and Back Tor, and by having a hiking buddy, it means that we can plan together, set goals together, encourage each other. And it's not just in the first place of getting out, it's also important when you're out in the fells as well, because sometimes you're just not feeling it for a bit. Like I wasn't feeling it this morning. It took a long time to warm up, but my hiking buddy encouraged me, kept me going, and now I'm thinking, what the hell was I thinking? It's a beautiful day, back to Ethel's, and I'm having an absolutely awesome Sunday.